Hi guys, we received this multifunctional folding toilet for reviewing purposes. It's perfect for going camping. As you can see, it comes with its own carrying bag and it comes very well protected with this bubble wrap. And here we got the instructions, okay, and this is the main unit, okay. It also comes with some bags, okay. This is how it looks when it's closed, so let's go and open it. As you can see, it expands like this, and you just close it, turning it the other way. Okay, so right now it's closed. It won't open, and you have this little stand for toilet paper. And when we open it, this is how it looks. You can use it as a table, place some things like this, and be working. And well, you can use the bags. Use it as a trash can or as a toilet, okay, which I think it's a nice option. It's pretty useful, and if you use it as a trash can, you can also close the lid, and that's it. You can carry it with you, and it's really compactable, as you can see, and that's it. You can carry it with you wherever you want. So I think it's really nice, really easy to use. As I've said, multifunctional. It doesn't take that much space, perfect for camping, doing some outside activities. And I think it's really nice because it comes with the bags included, which is really perfect, and also with the travel bag, okay, which you can use it to storage it. Like this, and just carry it with you, which I think it's really nice, and I like it a lot. See you.